your nib's too slow and your ink won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to help you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey folks, Larry here, and want to remind everybody that tomorrow, Black Friday Day, will kick off all the big Black Friday sales that we're going to have. So, here we go. We're going to start off with Frank from Federalist Pens. The sale starts tomorrow, Friday, and it will run through Cyber Monday. Okay? So use code CYBER at checkout to save an additional 15% off any / all items, even those that are on closeout. The whole wham bam, thank you ma'am. Additional 15% off, right? So he's got these codes for already discount prices, plus you're going to add additional 50% off, and you're going to come out like a champ. So if you want some pens, inks, papers, journals, might want to check out Frank. And don't forget, this weekend, tomorrow, in fact, he is at the mall, Mr. Announcer.
It's in the Delaware Valley area east of Philly. I think it is the Mooresville Mall.
So remember, you need to wear a mask when you go in there. Be respectful of others. Stay a distance. And Frank will be there. I believe Mark, his brother, will be too. And you're going to love the store. It's huge, big. And he's got, I think, most of his goodies out there. If you watch my Zoom Pen Hangout where I had Frank on, it was on last night, wasn't it? That was what, Wednesday? You will see the store, and you will get the location and the hours, and Frank's going to lay down the times, the event, everything. So it's something worth watching. So you want to check out that. Also, FPR, Fountain Pen Revolution, Kevin's going to have up to 40% of site-wide through Monday. And then Pen Chalet's having a Black Friday Cyber Monday sale. And I'm sure Anderson Pens will be in the ball game. Gold Spot Pens as well. So these are just a few that have popped up in my head that I thought I'd give a shout out for them to let you guys know this is the real deal coming up. I think Vanessa Pens is going to have one as well. I'm thinking maybe Jim Hines Pens is going to have one. I don't know. I haven't heard from Jim about that yet. But pretty much everybody goes, for the Black Friday and Cyber Monday kind of deal, right? Big events for them. And that's going to help them out. This virus has really been a treacherous virus. It's really caused a lot of damage. And so this is one way of helping out your fellow brother and sister pen dealers, pen sellers, pen people. So that's all I have for today. For now, take care, be safe, happy Thanksgiving, and another happy Thanksgiving. And remember, my friends, don't text and drive. Bye-bye.